To make a Monzo virtual card, you first need to have a Monzo account. If you do not have one, download the Monzo app and sign up for an account. Once you have your account, open the Monzo app and navigate to the card section. In this section, you will see an option to create a virtual card. Click on this option to start the process. You will then be asked to choose a name for your virtual card, which can be anything you like, such as online shopping or subscriptions. Next, you will be given the option to set a spending limit for your virtual card. This is an added layer of security and can help prevent unauthorized transactions. Choose a limit that suits your needs, and confirm that you want to create the virtual card. Once your virtual card is created, you will be given the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You can use these details to make online purchases or set up subscriptions. One of the key benefits of a Monzo virtual card is that it is completely separate from your physical card. This means that if your virtual card details are compromised, your physical card will remain secure. To manage your virtual card, navigate back to the card section in the Monzo app. From here, you can view your virtual card details, freeze the card, or cancel it altogether. You can also set up notifications to alert you to any transactions on your virtual card. It is also worth noting that you can create multiple virtual cards for different purposes. For example, you could have one virtual card for online shopping and another for subscriptions. This can help you keep your finances organized and make it easier to track your spending. Overall, creating a Monzo virtual card is a straightforward process that can help you stay safe when making online purchases or setting up subscriptions. By following these steps and using your virtual card responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of a secure and convenient payment method.